Are you looking for the best summer accessories of 2026 to stay cool, comfortable, organized, and ready for travel, outdoor activities, beach days, road trips, or everyday use? The right summer accessories can make hot weather days easier with better portability, convenience, cooling, sun protection, and practical features. In this video, we've selected the 5 best summer accessories of 2026 based on usefulness, comfort, portability, durability, ease of use, design, seasonal practicality, and overall value. Whether you need something for outdoor adventures, vacations, backyard relaxation, commuting, or staying cool on the go, there's a useful option on this list. We have included the Amazon links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which summer accessory fits your needs and budget. Stay tuned until the end to discover which summer accessory earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Stanley IceFlow Flip Straw 2.0 Bottle. Starting our list at number 5 is the Stanley IceFlow Flip Straw 2.0 bottle, a lightweight insulated water bottle designed for summer travel, workouts, commuting, hiking, and everyday hydration. This 24-ounce bottle uses Aerolite spun steel insulation, which Stanley says makes it about 33% lighter than standard stainless steel bottles while still keeping water cold for hours. That lighter construction makes it easier to carry during hot weather activities without sacrificing the durability of stainless steel. The upgraded Flip Straw 2.0 lid features a larger drinking opening and built-in straw for quick sipping. When closed, the lid is designed to be leak-resistant, and the replaceable seal can help extend its usable life. The integrated carry handle also makes it convenient for walking, traveling, or taking to the gym. For easier maintenance, the bottle is dishwasher safe, and the removable spout helps simplify cleaning. Stanley also backs the bottle with a lifetime warranty. Overall, the Stanley IceFlow Flip Straw 2.0 bottle combines lightweight portability, convenient sipping, and durable insulated construction, making it our number 5 pick for the best summer accessories of 2026. Number 4. Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella. Coming in at number 4 is the Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella, a compact all-weather accessory designed for summer travel, commuting, hiking, vacations, and everyday protection from rain and sun. Its reinforced fiberglass frame uses 9 flexible ribs and a vented canopy to improve resistance against strong winds. Repel states that the umbrella has been tested in winds up to 100 miles per hour, although real-world performance will depend on weather conditions and how the umbrella is positioned. The automatic open and close mechanism lets you deploy or collapse the umbrella with a single button, making it convenient when getting in and out of vehicles or buildings. When folded, the canopy measures approximately 42 inches across, providing useful coverage while remaining travel-friendly. The quick-drying polyester canopy also provides protection from rain and sunlight, while the rubberized handle offers a more secure grip. Pros: compact 11-inch folding design, automatic one-touch opening and closing, reinforced 9-rib fiberglass frame, large 42-inch canopy, lightweight at under 1 pound. Cons: 100-mile-per-hour wind resistance is a manufacturer test claim. No specific UV protection rating is provided. Must be completely dried before storage. Overall, the Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella combines portability, generous coverage, and strong weather resistance, making it our number 4 pick for the best summer accessories of 2026. Number 3. FROGG TOGGS Chili Pad Cooling Towel. Taking the number 3 spot is the FROGG TOGGS Chili Pad, a reusable cooling towel designed for workouts, beach trips, camping, golfing, yard work, travel, and other hot weather activities. The material is made from 100% polyvinyl alcohol with a hyper-evaporative design that absorbs water while remaining relatively dry to the touch. To activate it, simply wet the towel, wring out the excess water, and place it around your neck or over your skin for evaporative cooling. FROGG TOGGS claims the chili pad can cool by up to 30 degrees once activated.
The material can also absorb up to 8 times its own weight in water, helping it provide longer-lasting cooling relief during outdoor activities or exercise. At 33 by 13 inches, the towel offers enough surface area to wrap around the neck or shoulders comfortably. It weighs only 6.4 ounces and includes a storage container, making it easy to keep in a backpack, gym bag, or travel kit. Pros: reusable evaporative cooling design, activates with only water, absorbs up to 8 times its own weight in water, large 33 by 13 inch size, includes a convenient storage container. Cons: must be re-wet when the cooling effect fades. Cooling performance depends on environmental conditions. Up to 30-degree cooling is a manufacturer claim. Overall, the FROGG TOGGS Chili Pad provides simple, reusable, and highly portable cooling relief, making it our number 3 pick for the best summer accessories of 2026.
Number 2. Shark FlexBreeze HydroGo Portable Misting Fan. Taking the number 2 spot is the Shark FlexBreeze HydroGo, a portable misting fan designed for summer patios, camping trips, poolside use, outdoor events, garages, and indoor cooling. The HydroGo combines powerful airflow with an integrated misting system, producing ultra-fine droplets that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Shark claims the misting function can reduce surrounding temperatures by up to 5 degrees, helping provide extra relief during hot summer days. It offers 5 fan speeds and airflow coverage reaching up to 70 feet. The rechargeable battery provides up to 12 hours of claimed runtime, while corded operation allows continuous use when an outlet is available. Despite its compact dimensions, the fan delivers up to 425 CFM of airflow and operates at a listed noise level of around 36 decibels. Its adjustable tilt lets you direct airflow where needed, while the water-resistant construction is designed for outdoor environments. Pros: built-in indoor and outdoor misting system, up to 12 hours of claimed battery life, 5 adjustable fan speeds, up to 70 feet of airflow coverage, corded or cordless operation. Cons: misting requires regular water refills. Cooling performance depends on environmental conditions. Weight is inconsistently listed as 5 pounds and 3.9 pounds. Overall, the Shark FlexBreeze HydroGo combines portable airflow, rechargeable operation, and convenient misting, making it our number 2 pick for the best summer accessories of 2026. Number 1. JISULIFE Portable Neck Fan. Taking the number 1 spot is the JISULIFE Portable Neck Fan, a hands-free wearable fan designed for travel, workouts, outdoor activities, concerts, commuting, and everyday summer cooling. Its bladeless design uses 78 air outlets positioned around the neck to distribute airflow without exposed fan blades, helping reduce the risk of hair getting caught. The flexible neckband is also twistable, allowing users to adjust the fit for more comfortable wear. A built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides a claimed runtime of approximately 4 to 16 hours, depending on the selected speed. With 5 adjustable speed levels, users can choose lighter airflow for everyday use or stronger cooling during hotter conditions and physical activity. The fan weighs about 258 grams, making it relatively lightweight for extended wear. Its brushless motor operates at a claimed noise level as low as 25 decibels, while USB-C charging adds convenient recharging for travel and daily use. Pros: hands-free bladeless design, 78 air outlets for wider airflow, 5 adjustable fan speeds, up to 16 hours of claimed battery life, USB-C rechargeable. Cons: runtime decreases at higher fan speeds. Cooling is airflow-based rather than refrigerated. 258-gram weight may feel noticeable during long sessions.